You wouldn't believe what I discovered when I opened that drawer. But first, let me tell you about the dinner that changed everything. My mother-in-law accused me of cheating at Sunday dinner. She screamed in front of everyone. "You are a liar. You are a bad wife." I felt so ashamed. Everyone looked at me. My husband, Ahmed, just sat there. He did not defend me. I wanted to cry. But then something strange happened. The waiter came to our table. He said, "Excuse me, I have something to say." My mother-in-law laughed. "Go away, we are busy." But the waiter did not leave. He looked at me. Then he looked at my mother-in-law. "I know who paid me to lie about this woman," he said. The room became very quiet. What was he going to say? "My name is Layla. I married Ahmed 2 years ago. We lived in a small apartment in Cairo. I worked as a receptionist at a big hotel. Ahmed worked as a concierge. We were happy, but his mother did not like me. From the first day, she said I was not good enough. You are too poor, she said. You are not from a good family. I tried to be nice to her. I brought her gifts. I helped her at home. But she always found something wrong. Last Sunday, she invited us to dinner at a fancy hotel. I was surprised. She never spent money on us. I want to talk about something important, she said. At the dinner, she started to cry. Layla is cheating on you, Ahmed, she shouted. I have proof. A waiter saw her with another man. Ahmed looked at me. His eyes were angry. Is this true? He asked. No. I said. I never cheated. Your mother is lying. But my mother-in-law showed a photo on her phone. It was me talking to a man at the hotel. The man was a guest. I was helping him with his reservation. But the photo looked bad. Ahmed believed his mother. I want a divorce, he said. My heart broke. I ran out of the restaurant. I did not know what to do. The next day, I went back to the hotel. I needed to find the waiter. I wanted to know why he lied. At the reception desk, I asked, "Can you help me find the waiter from last night?" The receptionist looked at me strangely. Which waiter? She asked. The one who served our table, I said. He said he saw me with another man. The receptionist shook her head. I do not know anyone like that. Maybe you are mistaken. I felt confused. I walked to the restaurant. The manager was there. Excuse me, I said. I need to talk to the waiter who worked last night. He is tall with short black hair. The manager looked at his list. We had no waiter like that last night, he said. The staff was different. My heart started to beat fast. Someone was lying. But who? I remembered the waiter's face. He looked familiar. Suddenly, I knew. He was my mother-in-law's neighbor. I saw him once at her house. He was not a real waiter. He was an actor. I went back to the restaurant that evening. I waited until dinner time. Then I saw him again. He was serving another table. I walked up to him. "I know who you are," I said. "You are not a waiter. You are my mother-in-law's neighbor. Why did you lie?" He looked scared. "Please, do not tell anyone," he said. "Your mother-in-law paid me. She gave me money to pretend I saw you with another man." I felt so angry. But I also felt hope. Now I had proof. I called Ahmed. "Come to the hotel right now," I said. "I have something important to show you." He came. He looked tired and sad. "What do you want?" he asked. "I want to show you the truth," I said. We went to the restaurant. The waiter was still there. I asked him to tell Ahmed everything. The waiter looked at the floor. "I am sorry," he said. "Your mother paid me to lie. She gave me 5,000 Egyptian pounds. She wanted me to say I saw Layla with another man. But it was not true. Layla never cheated." Ahmed's face turned white. "My mother did this," he whispered. "Yes," I said. "She wanted us to break up. She never liked me." Ahmed sat down. He put his head in his hands. "I am so sorry, Layla," he said. I believed her. I did not trust you. Can you forgive me?" I looked at him. I loved him, but I was hurt. "I need time," I said. "You chose your mother over me. That is not easy to forget." Then my mother-in-law walked into the restaurant. She saw us. She tried to run away. But the waiter stopped her. "She paid me," he said loudly. "I have proof." My mother-in-law started to cry. "I did it for you, Ahmed," she said. "She is not good enough for you." Ahmed stood up. "No, mother," he said. "You are wrong. Layla is a good wife. You are the one who is not good enough." He took my hand. "Let us go home," he said. We went home. Ahmed and I talked for a long time. He promised to never doubt me again. He also told his mother that she could not visit us for a while. "We need space," he said. "You hurt us both." His mother cried and said sorry. But I knew it would take time to trust her again. That night, I opened a drawer in my room. Inside, I found a letter from my real mother. She died when I was young. The letter said, always tell the truth, and the truth will set you free. I smiled. The truth did set me free. It saved my marriage. I learned that lies can destroy love, but truth can rebuild it. I also learned to trust my own heart. If I had given up, I would have lost everything. Now, Ahmed and I are stronger. We share everything. We do not keep secrets. And we are happy. The lesson is simple. Always believe in yourself. Even when everyone is against you, the truth will come out. And when it does, it will bring you peace. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it helps you learn English and reminds you to always be honest.